Do you want to schedule Reels on Instagram? You can schedule a Reel video on Instagram for free with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to schedule Reels on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Scheduling Reels on Instagram is setting up a time for your Reel video to be published automatically at a later date and time. To schedule Reels on Instagram. First, you need to convert your Instagram account to professional. If your account is not already professional, you can convert it by following simple steps. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu screen and tap on Account Type and Tools. Under the Account Type screen, select Switch to Professional Account. Tap the Continue button. Choose a category from the given list and tap Done. Now, select either Business or Creator and tap Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. To schedule a post or Reel video, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post. From the options at the bottom of the screen, select the Reels tab. Choose the photos or videos you want to share as a Reel. Edit the selected content as per your preferences and tap the Next button. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see Advanced Settings. Tap on it. Now, enable the toggle button to schedule this Reel video. A pop-up screen will appear. Select your preferred date and time for the post and tap Done. Once you've selected the scheduling options, go back to the previous screen. Add your Reels caption, hashtags, and any other details. Finally, tap on the Schedule button to schedule your Reel video. By following these steps, you can schedule Reels on Instagram, and your content is posted at any date and time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.